She was one of those. She was taking pictures. I already told Chuck. I'm gonna just say hi and all that right now, but my intuition is her. That's what I'm doing. Sorry, and that's when she remembers me. The event that I'm